Mooneyham Elementary is such a sweet campus. We just have the most amazing students, staff, and families, and just such that community atmosphere that we love. One thing that makes Mooneyham really special is we have houses, so it's a great way for students and staff to get to know people, not just on their grade level or team, but throughout the campus. So we do lots of fun things throughout the year centered around houses, and then we have house huddles every month to really build that community aspect.
My favorite thing about being a student here at Mooneyham is if you like video games, there's always a person who likes video games for you. If you like football, there's always a person who likes football, and you guys will be best friends.
Another thing that we have started this year that we really love is our Trailblazer Time. And it's really a time for our staff to get to share their interests and their passions, then hopefully inspire students to have hobbies. We are all about hands-on learning opportunities and ensuring students are receiving the instruction that they need. It's all about growth, and so that means knowing where students are and understanding where students need to be.
When you're at Mooneyham, it's like we're all family. You'll never meet a stranger here. Everybody is so kind.
Expect to be supported, pushed, and expect to just be your very best, because that's what we're going to give you and that's what we expect back.
You're going to be excited about all of the things that we do: spirit days, house huddles, Trailblazer Time. You are going to be involved, and you are going to have a surrounding team of people that will support you and cheer you on all throughout your year.
Our mission is engage, educate, empower everyone every day.
Our students know our mission. They say it every day, and that's what we live by here at Mooneyham. They say it takes a village, and it definitely does. So that partnership with our families is so important to us, because we want to make sure each student is cared for and encouraged and meets their full potential. We hope that you'll choose to become a part of our family. We are stronger because of you.